guys, today we talk about how can you join a server on your Discord app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on account and you come to this list. Then all you have to do here, just click on display name and you come to this list and you go above server profiles, click on it, and you come here to join a server, click on it here. So then you come to this list, and here can you invite link here, you get this invite link and you click here on join with invite link here. So you have to add here your link, so add it here in this list. Then when you click on join with invite link, then it's going to take you to join an existing server. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.